Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA 2K24 on PS5. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on and connected to your display. If you have the physical disc, simply insert it into the disk drive. For digital owners, navigate to the PlayStation Store, search for NBA 2K24, and begin the download. Make sure you have sufficient storage, typically around 150 gigabytes, before starting. Once the game loads, you will want to familiarize yourself with the core controls. The left stick controls player movement, while the right stick is crucial for executing various dribble moves and shot aiming. Passing is typically done with the X button and shooting with the square button. Remember to hold the L2 trigger for intense defense and the R2 trigger for a burst of speed when needed. NBA 2K24 offers a rich variety of game modes to explore. My Career allows you to craft a unique player and guide them through their professional journey, making key decisions along the way. If you prefer team building, My Team lets you collect player cards and assemble a dream squad. For competitive action, jump into online multiplayer or enjoy a friendly match with friends locally. To elevate your gameplay, delve into the settings menu to customize your camera and controller preferences. Mastering advanced offensive techniques, like post-up moves and effective pick-and-rolls, will give you a significant edge. On defense, prioritize proper rotations and timely shot contests to disrupt your opponent's rhythm. Don't forget to explore various playbooks to discover strategies that complement your team and personal playstyle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.